Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today is going to be another Christmas themed video. I'm going to show you how to make a Santa. And this one is going to be a magnet, so I'm not hanging this one up. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what Santa looks like now. So here we go, here he is, top to bottom. Now when I made the elf hat, I did him very similar to the Christmas hat that I've done here. I just didn't bend it over as far. And then as you saw, I did all the trims and then raised it all up with a little toothpick and made it look nice and fluffy. Again, with my elf, I made the belt in a similar way, but Santa doesn't have a little strap that comes through, so I just popped that little extra bit in the middle there, and then I just sort of went from there. Santa does have a nice round figure, so I made him nice and round, and as you can see, he's nice and flat, so he is ready for magnets to be stuck on. So Santa's going to go on my fridge, and underneath there I'm going to put my little wishes. So this would be a really great kids activity, so you could do this with your kids and then pop it on the fridge, and then underneath they could write a little Santa list that they would like. So this is how you make a little Santa magnet from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Is gonna be, I don't know, what is it? And I'm gonna be, no, that's from Christmas. Are we making Christmas? Hi, welcome back. So here he is. Now, what do we want to say about him? I don't really know. So this is great for kids, you know, so this would be a really great kids activity.